Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading The Wolf Who Fell Out of a Book by Thierry Roberts and Gregory Maguire, published by Gibbs Smith. Text copyright 2017 by Thierry Roberts and illustrations copyright 2017 by Gregory Maguire.
Zoe's library shelves were stuffed so full of books that one day a book fell to the ground and a wolf tumbled out of the story. Inside the book, the wolf was scary, with pitch black fur and pointy teeth. But in Zoe's room, a place he'd never been, the wolf was all alone and very afraid. First, he tried to find shelter under his own book, which had fallen from the shelf into the shape of a tent. The problem was a cat who slept in Zoe's room, a large cat who was already licking his lips. "Don't touch me," the wolf told him. "In my book, I'm a scary wolf and everyone is afraid of me." "Perhaps," said the cat, "but here you're not in your book. You're in Zoe's room, and this is my territory." The wolf was so afraid that he tried to go back inside his book. But a sheep kicked him out because he arrived too early in the story. "What are you already doing here? You're much too early. There's no wolf in this story yet. Couldn't you just leave us alone to graze in peace?" So he tried to enter the book through another page. But there, other wolves scolded him. "Smart move, wise guy. Now you arrive when the story is finished." The cat was moving closer and closer to the wolf. He would have to run away quickly. So the wolf climbed up the shelves looking for a book where he could hide. The shelves were tall, straight, and steep like a cliff. The wolf nearly fell 10 times. Finally, the wolf managed to reach the top shelf, where he tried to get into the first book he saw. It was a book about princesses, and at the page where the wolf arrived, the king was giving a grand ball at court. "So sorry, Mr. Wolf," the butler told him. "For you to remain in this story, you must change. Put on a tuxedo or a ball gown." "A ball gown?" answered the wolf. "And what if other wolves saw me?" And so it was that the wolf was kicked out of the book. Outside, the cat was still waiting, so the wolf jumped into another book. In this book, the world was unlike anything he knew. Suddenly, he felt a presence behind him. "My boy," said a dinosaur, "you won't be able to stay in this book. You've chosen the wrong time period. Besides, it's dangerous for you here." The animals in this story were enormous and scary. Worried and a bit worse for wear, the wolf quickly escaped from the book. "Close that book tightly," the cat told him. "I don't want any dinosaurs in Zoe's room." The wolf chose another book at random and scrambled inside. He found himself in a large forest. "A forest. I like it," he said to himself. He walked for a long time. He saw a little girl dressed in red, seated on a tree trunk, crying. "What's the matter?" the wolf asked her. "Why are you crying?" "I'm on my way to bring some pancakes and a bit of butter to my grandmother. I was supposed to meet a wolf here, but he hasn't come. I'm going to be late. My story will be ruined. And that's why I'm crying." "Well, I'm a wolf. I'm pitch black, and I have big teeth. If you like, I can help you." The little girl looked at him with tears in her eyes. "You would do that for me?" "Yes," answered the wolf. "I have all the time in the world." "Would you come with me to grandmother's house? On our way there, I'll tell you what to do." "All right." And so off they went, arm in arm, walking toward grandmother's house. On the road they parted ways to begin the story. "Don't forget your disguise," said the little girl. "Don't worry," answered the wolf. "I know what to do." The end. And that was A Wolf Who Fell Out of a Book.
All right, everybody, it is now time for a rhyme. Today we are going to be doing Oh Where Has My Little Dog Gone? So, does everybody know it? This is how it goes. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where could he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where could he be? So let's try that. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where could he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where could he be? Let's try that one more time. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where could he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where could he be? Very good. That is a great job. Let's try that one more time. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where could he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where could he be? That was a great job, guys. All right, everybody, there is a link in the description below to that rhyme. Also, in the description below is a link to how to make an Arctic wolf craft. Now, I did mine a little bit different than the instructions that I have. I didn't have any felt at home, and I didn't want to use a hot glue gun. So I actually used black construction paper and then white construction paper and pencil to make the ears and the nose. And I actually just used liquid Elmer's glue to glue it all together. It just takes a little bit longer to dry. But if you set it off to the side somewhere where it won't get bumped, it'll turn out perfectly. Also linked in the description below is an fun activity where you get to run around and be chased and kind of play a little bit of tag called What Time Is It, Mr. Wolf? And you have one player who is Mr. Wolf, and he asks what time it is. And then the other players shout what time they think it is. And then they get to take that many steps towards Mr. Wolf. And then when they get close to him, he yells, "It's lunchtime!" And he goes to chase them. So that's fun. There's also a link to a song. It's an animal song called Night Animals, and it has 3 different night animals. So you have an owl, a raccoon, and a wolf. at the very end. So you'll get to learn about them. There is also a hoopla recommendation of Wolf's Coming by Joe Kulka. And I found that to be a very fun story. So I suggest you check it out. All right, everybody. Well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye.